Mayank Gandhi, before that, I just wanted to go to Neelab Banerjee once, who wanted to make a point on the question of decency. Yes, please go ahead, Neelab.
See, artistic license, freedom of expression is certainly there. But as a cartoonist, cartoon, if by definition, is wit, thought provocation and ideas. And irrelevance is there certainly in every cartoonist, otherwise cartoons won't be cartoons. They challenge lawmakers, decision makers, and mostly they are at times anti-institution also. But how we portray a cartoon, it's a fine line. So, it depends that how crude can we be, or how refined the cartoon can be. Mr. Morparia's cartoon, which I just saw, is a definition against the cartoons which are in question right now. So, it's coming down to the same thing. Like if I am protesting against lack of public urinals, so I start relieving myself on road. That's not justified somewhere, but some people do that. So, I have another point, having said that there is a general mood in the country, like of anti-corruption. If there was not this mood of anti-corruption in this country, could Mr. Asim Trivedi would have got away with the cartoons he had done? That's a question I'm asking you, Arnab.
Well,
or rather, Asim
बिल्कुल नीलाब जी, क्या लगता है आपको कि जिन लोगों ने कहानियां लिखी, विभिन्न समस्याओं पे कविता लिखी, विभिन्न समस्याओं पे साहित्य का काम हमेशा तो रहा है समाज की बुराइयों पे चोट करना, क्या दहेज प्रथा के खिलाफ लिखी गई एक कहानी दहेज प्रथा को अलग कर देगी, खत्म कर देगी? लेकिन वो दहेज प्रथा के खिलाफ लड़ाई में एक कदम जरूर साबित होगी। नीलाब जी, आपको मानना होगा कि हर एक आर्टिस्ट, हर एक साहित्यकार, हर एक पोएट, हर एक राइटर कहीं ना कहीं, हर एक जर्नलिस्ट कहीं ना कहीं योगदान देता है। मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि इन कार्टूनों से भ्रष्टाचार दूर हो जाने वाला है, लेकिन हाँ, ये उसके खिलाफ हो रही लड़ाई का एक हिस्सा जरूर है, एक कदम जरूर है। जैसा आपने कहा कि अरे नीलाब जी, मैं तो चुपचाप सुनता हूँ, अब तो मैं आपको नहीं बोलने देने वाला। नीलाब जी सुनिए, पहले मेरा उत्तर सुनिए, फिर आप बोलिएगा आराम से।
इन चीजों
नीलाब जी, ऐसा है कि आप हेमंत जी के किसी कार्टून से, अरे नहीं, अर्नब जी कैसे,
आप बताइए।
देखिए, इसके पहले डॉरेल कैजल यूएस के कार्टूनिस्ट हैं, उन्होंने उस दिन मेरे बारे में एक आर्टिकल लिखा था जब इस एडिशन चार्जेस लगाए गए थे। उस कार्टून में ही उन्होंने एक अपना ही कार्टून डाला उस आर्टिकल में, डॉरेल कैजल ने, जहां उन्होंने दिखाया है कि व्हाइट हाउस को टॉयलेट की तरह दिखाया है। तो अकेले मैंने नहीं किया, यूएस में ऐसा हुआ है। मुझे पता लगा है साउथ अफ्रीका में एक कार्टून जोनाथन ज़ैपिरो, उसने वहां पे गैंग रेप दिखाया है, गैंग रेप ऑफ फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच। देखिए, जो कुछ मैंने किया ये विदेशों में होता रहा, हिंदुस्तान की बात अलग है, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान में धर्म, जाति, परंपरा के बड़े बंधन है। पर बाहर की कार्टूनिंग में मैं आपको यकीन से बताता हूँ कि रेप के मिथक इस्तेमाल किए गए हैं। बाहर की कार्टूनिंग में राष्ट्रीय ध्वज को जलाने के मिथक इस्तेमाल किए गए। एज एग्जाम्पल्स, बाहर के कार्टूनिंग में व्हाइट हाउस को टॉयलेट, नेशनल टॉयलेट बनाया गया है। तो आप ये मत कहिए कि जो आप डिफिनेशन दे रहे हैं वही कार्टूनिंग की डेफिनेशन है। वो इंडियन कार्टूनिंग की डेफिनेशन हो सकती है ना, वो आपने जो डेफिनेशन तय रखी है वो हो सकती है, पर आपकी डेफिनेशन तय करने से, डेफिनेशन तय होने से रही। एक बात सुनिए नीलाब जी, आप नीलाब जी अपनी राय दे सकते हैं।
जैसा आपने नेशनल सिंबल्स का
listen to the other side, Asim.
हाँ, मैं बात
एक
कर
राय
रहा हूँ।
सुन लीजिए।
Asim, listen to the other
अरे लगातार सुन रहा हूँ। अरे अन्ना जी, मैं तो लगातार सुन रहा हूँ।
क्या आप किसी रिलीजियस सिंबल का करते कभी, अगर जरूरत पड़ता?
सवाल ये है कि जो सिंबल्स, अगर मैं जरूरत, हाँ, क्यों नहीं कर सकता, और नहीं कर सकता तो ये हमारे फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच की कमियां हैं।
But that is where no, one second, Asim, that is where a sense of responsibility has to come in, and everyone, Asim, including a journalist, a political activist, a cartoonist, must have a sense of responsibility. If you exercise your freedom of right expression without, there has to be, you see now once,
लेकिन अन्ना जी जब मैं कह रहा हूँ, 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 नो प्लीज लिसन टू मी, अन्ना जी जब मैं कह रहा हूँ कि विदेशों में व्हाइट हाउस को टॉयलेट बनाया गया है, इसका मतलब कि ऐसा होता है, और आप ये नहीं कह सकते जर्नलिज्म में ऐसा नहीं होता, जर्नलिज्म में ऐसा भी होता है।
Calm down. One second, calm down, Asim, listen to the other side.
आप बार-बार अपने विचारों को सिद्धांत सिद्धांत के रूप में थोप रहे हैं, ये आपके विचार है, ये सिद्धांत नहीं है, ये कोई थ्योरी नहीं है, आपके निजी विचार है। तो मेरे विचारों को सुनिए, मैं बिल्कुल शांत हूं, पर आप मुझे सुन ही नहीं रहे हैं करना।
Asim, calm down, Asim. One second. Listen to the other side, Asim. Please listen. Listen to the others
अरे मैं
also.
लगातार सुन रहा हूँ, आप मेरी साइड नहीं सुन रहे हैं।
One second.
You have full
Please
right.
listen.
Asim
Yes.
has full rights to express whatever he wants to in whichever way he wants. I see. I don't get offended easily. I am not
It's all
offended by this cartoon. I am offended by the lack of humor in the cartoons. I am offended by the lack of wit. I am offended by the fact that there is
इतने सारे लोग इस कार्टून को पसंद कर रहे हैं, शेयर कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब उसमें ह्यूमर है। ये आपको नहीं लगता कि उसमें ह्यूमर है? ये बिल्कुल सही है, मैं सहमत हूँ, पर बहुत से लोगों को लगता है कि उसमें ह्यूमर है, उसमें सटायर है, उसमें
मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ,
नहीं कि फन हो। देखिए, कार्टून और चुटकुले के बीच में फर्क होता है।
इसमें प्रोवोकेशन ज्यादा है, आई मीन इसमें प्रोवोकेशन ज्यादा लगता है।
लेकिन एक कार्टूनिस्ट का मकसद लोगों को हंसाना नहीं है। कार्टूनिस्ट का बिल्कुल एग्रेशन है उसमें, क्योंकि ये आंदोलन के लिए बनाया गया कार्टून है, ये लोगों का मनोरंजन नहीं करते।
अर्नब, I want to ask you one thing.
ये कार्टून लोगों का
ये आंदोलन का पोस्टर हो सकता है, पर ये कार्टून के दर्जे में शायद कम आए।
No, just listen to Hemant Borparia wants to say
आप
something.
कैसे कार्टून की परिभाषा तय करेंगे साहब? आप कैसे कार्टून की परिभाषा तय करेंगे?
there are
कार्टून का
different
पोस्टर
points of
अगर
view,
हो सकता है
Asim.
कार्टून तो बहुत अच्छी बात है।
Watch, Hemant Borparia just wants to make a point. Mayank Gandhi, I'm coming to you,
सलाह
Mayank.
देना चाहता हूँ, मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ।
अरे मेरे पॉइंट का भी तो जवाब दीजिए, मेरे पॉइंट का जवाब दीजिए कि जब व्हाइट हाउस को टॉयलेट के रूप में बनाया जा सकता है एक अमेरिकी कार्टून के द्वारा, तो संसद भवन को, पार्लियामेंट को टॉयलेट के रूप में क्यों नहीं बनाया जाता? प्लीज आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन। मेरे इस प्रश्न का उत्तर सीधे क्यों नहीं देते कि जब व्हाइट हाउस को, हाँ,
I have no problems with your cartoon.
मेरे प्रश्न का उत्तर दीजिए पहले।
मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
नहीं, मेरे प्रश्न का उत्तर देने से क्यों बच रहे हैं आप?
क्या प्रश्न
नहीं,
क्या
ये तो खत्म बात हो गई ना, फिर दूसरी बात करते हैं।
मैंने कहा I have no
मैंने
problem
प्रश्न
with your
किया है कि
cartoon.
जब व्हाइट हाउस,
one
मैंने कहा है कि जब व्हाइट हाउस को टॉयलेट के रूप में दिखाया जाता है, तो पार्लियामेंट को टॉयलेट के रूप में क्यों नहीं दिखाया जा सकता? इंडियन
ये आपकी मर्जी है, आप दिखा सकते हैं
इस बात का।
आप दिखा सकते हैं।
No, one second. The
अरे
question.
जब बाहर के कार्टूनिस्ट दिखाते हैं, पूरी दुनिया के कार्टूनिस्ट दिखाते हैं,
ये कहना चाहता हूं
आप नहीं
आपसे
दिखाते,
एक
इसका मतलब
बात।
ये नहीं कि हम नहीं दिखाएंगे। आपके काम करने का अपना तरीका है, मेरे काम करने का
मैं ये
अपना तरीका है।
पहले बोलता,
आपका अपना मकसद है,
मैंने
मेरा अपना
पहले
मकसद
कहा
है।
आपसे।
Okay, now you see, one second. I want Mayank Gandhi to come in. Mayank, 1 minute. 1 second, Asim. I wanted to just go to Mayank, who is sitting on your right today. Mayank, you know, in sum and substance, all of us agreed that the sedition charge was disastrous and not required. The only question today is about the nature of the art. What do you feel about the points made by Neela Banerjee and Hemant Borparia tonight?
The taste of the cartoons.
The taste of the cartoons is what they are talking about. Yes.
First of all,
See, I have a
first
question.
of all, what is this? This is this program?
I have a-
Arnab, I am asking you, is this program? Can I please say?
Yeah, please.
Is this program about lessons in the kind of cartooning that should be done in India? Is this the program? Then I think then there is no point in me being here. What are you talking? How the cartoon should? What should be the taste? Now this is between the cartoonist and the people. Why does government have to come in the picture? Why do they have to put sedition case into the whole thing? The public does not like his
Sedition
cartoon.
change is
Then
ridiculous.
public will write to him.
No, one
Who
second.
is?
That we all
No,
decided.
then who are the? No, I am saying who are the other cartoonists to decide what Asim should do? What is this? Lessons in cartooning, lessons in humor,
No, but
lessons
Mayank-
in decency.
but Mayank-
What are we talking
but
about? What are we
Mayank-
wasting our time
No,
for?
Mayank, don't be so
Yeah.
worked up. Please understand one thing. That you see, there are different points of
No,
view,
I'm
right?
not
1 second,
understanding
Mayank.
the purpose.
Mayank, there are different points of view, and
Arnab,
please
Arnab,
understand.
ji, मैं भी-
Asim, please. You see, the question is this. Now, you can say, Mayank, you can say, why do we need to have a discussion on why two cartoonists object to the kind of cartoons Asim is doing? That's all right. Nobody's objecting,
I'm not objecting.
but there
What
are
I'm
points.
saying is nobody will see his cartoons after 2 years if he continues to draw in the same vein. This is what I'm saying, you know.
Well, these are just points of view, and I think that I think we'll continue this discussion. I think Asim has another television engagement, as is clear from there. Yes.
Yeah, he
I
has
understand.
a 10 o'clock and another channel.
I understand. I thank you for joining me today. Let's have the debate going on another day. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. You know, what's the moral of the story here, if I may ask you?
The moral is that hectoring
I have
and
a
shouting from
question though.
rooftops and all doesn't get you far. You know, you don't get followers, you don't get your message across really because people stop listening to you. If you continue in this vein, you know.
I want to hold up here today some of the cartoons that Mr.
Arnab, I have a question.
Yes, go ahead. Actually, the Asim is no longer on the program, but you can please ask the question. Mayank is there. Mayank is there. If you want to ask your question to Mayank, you can go ahead.
Okay, then it's to Mayank. I mean, if cartoonists are okay with, caricaturing or slandering the national symbol of, let's say, the three-headed lion. So my question to Aseem is that if he is okay with the use of national symbol and caricaturing them or slandering them or showing them in different not too complimenting way, does he support if in way of protest a tricolor is burnt in some part of our country, maybe Kashmir? My question is that.
Can I respond, please?
Go ahead.
Yeah,
Mike.
I'm saying he has a point of view. He has a point of view which is nationalist. He is not an anti-national person. His point of view is that this country has been overridden by corrupt politicians and corrupt bureaucrats, and he is trying to depict that in his own way.
Symbols? I mean,
and one second, please. Burning of a flag is malafide.
That
is by an anti-social person. This is by a nationalist who's feeling.
I mean, our soldiers are wear that in border.
So what? I mean, I don't get the relevance, please.
The symbol which caricature was made, that's a symbol not only of the politicians.
What he is.
I mean, whenever we travel internationally, our passport carries that symbol.
Yeah, no, that way there are so many letters from the government which talk about corruption. Let's not talk about symbols. The point that I'm making is, in his point of view, he feels that these emblems are being insulted, so he's just projecting that.
No, but there's another way of doing it, Mayank.
He believes that
Mayank, actually, there is, I'll tell you one thing. You see, you have come on so many programs of times now, and I must say that you have had very strong views, but one of the best things about you is that you always tempered your speech. Now, the question I have, I don't know, I can't show this to you today, but there is one cartoon I have. Hemant has done this cartoon, right? And Hemant makes the same point. I want to hold it up for our viewers. He says here, the cartoonist has denigrated national institutions and symbols. No one has that right except us. Now, this makes the same point without actually going, right? You didn't feel the need to depict
No, see, you got your view across.
Yes.
There is, some may like this cartoon, some may not like it. But I have, if you
it's an example of the subtle art of cartooning.
Yeah.
And with lot of
everybody has a different way of expression. What I'm saying that nobody will look at his cartoons, if he keeps in the same vein.
Okay.
It's an advice as a senior cartoonist.
Yes, Mayank.
Arnab, let me respond, please. Yeah. I am saying either I don't have creative abilities nor am I a cartoonist. If this discussion is about how to do cartooning, what is the sensibilities of cartooning, then I'm the wrong person. But if you are asking, does this man have any intention of insulting the national flag or its, I think completely no. He's a nationalist who's fighting for this nation.
Agreed.
In his own way. I think this country is great enough, matured enough, this democracy is good enough to take in these kind of differing thoughts. Right. And we don't really need lessons in how each cartoonist should draw his cartoons.
Well,
I'm not here to give.
Well, I think the question is tonight was about the form, not about the right. And as we've always said, the sedition charge was rubbish. There's nothing worse than putting a sedition charge on someone who's doing, even if Aseem is making a mistake in the manner in which he's putting the cartoon across, even if his art is bad, even if it can be refined, it does not mean that anyone can put a sedition charge against him. So that point is absolutely clear. The rest of the question, people have points of view, but that's what democracy is about. And Mayank Gandhi...
That's what democracy is all about.
That's what democracy is about. And Mayank Gandhi, for putting your points of view across reasonably without getting angry. And Neela Banerjee, to whom I respect greatly, Dr. Hemant Morparia, who's done cartoons of a lot of people, including mine in the past, and I respect him for it. Thank you very much.
Okay. You'll get the original.
I'll get the original cartoon you did of me. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you very much for joining me on the News Hour tonight.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.